What's up, guys? We're going to be talking about how to add and subtract fractions with different denominators, and I have some Christmas cookies to help me illustrate the concept because I'm feeling in the holiday spirit. So let's get into this. All right, we have our question: 1/2 plus 2/3. So I already cut 2 cookies into 1/2 and 2/3. There we go. So if we add 1/2 and 2/3, a lot of people like to make the mistake of adding both the numerator and the denominator, where it looks like this. And this is a huge mistake, both because the math was wrong and because you get less cookie than you should. So 3/5 would look like this, if I could get it. This is what 3/5 looks like, just a little bit more than half. So you're trying to tell me that 1/2 plus 2/3 equals this, 3/5. You can look at it and tell that that's obviously wrong. So what do we need to do? Well, the first thing we need to do is to find a common denominator. Right now, 2 and 3 are obviously not the same, so we need to find their least common denominator. So what are the multiples of 2? Well, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. And the multiples of 3, we got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. So if you were paying attention, the least common multiple between those two would be 6. So now we need to convert these fractions into the denominator of 6. So to do that, we need to multiply 2 by 3 to get to 6, and we need to multiply 3 by 2 to get to 6. So we need to do the same for the numerators. So for 1/2, we multiplied the 2 by 3 to get to 6, so we need to do the same for the top. So 1 times 3 would be 3. And here we multiplied 3 by 2 to get to 6, so we multiplied 2 by 2, which would give us 4. So we should have 4, 6, and 3, 6. So I have that prepared already. So there we go. We can get this out of the way, and we can get this out of the way. And we said we needed 4 6ths. So there's our 4. There's our 4 6, and there's our 3 6. And now our problem looks like this: 3 6 plus 4 6. So now that makes our math nice and easy. We don't need to add these together because they're already the same. And we have 3 6 plus 4 6, which is nice and easy. 7. Let me do this way. 7 6. So what does that mean? It means we have 7 pieces of a cookie that has 6 pieces. So you might be thinking, that doesn't make any sense. Well, don't be confused. Be excited because you have more than one cookie. So if you add these together, look at that. You get 1 whole, and then you have 1 left over. So we can convert that into a mixed number, which means you have 1 and then 1 left over, and that 1 left over is 1 6th. So 1 6th. 1 and 1 6th. There we go, easy peasy. Now, what if we wanted to subtract? Well, we got the same thing ready to go. We have the same 2 numbers, so we have 2/3 minus 1/2. As we all know, adding and subtracting are inverses of each other, so usually the process is the same. It's just slightly different for adding and subtracting. So we pretty much do the same thing. Actually, we do the same thing. We change the 2/3 again to 4 6, and the 1/2 into 3 6. and we just subtract it rather than adding. So we have 4/6, we're taking away 3/6, and that will leave us with 1/6. There you go. Hope you learned something new. Hope you have a great Christmas time. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.